That is a little different than how we normally think about it, but it makes perfect sense, and the scriptures support that fact. I'll let you speak to that because I know this is your talking point.
It's just the church goes into apostasy from time to time, or is taken from the earth, or is like Enoch, where they are taken up the earth for a good reason. But nevertheless, there are periods where there is no church. The world is in apostasy in terms of the church. And that doesn't mean priesthood is completely removed from the earth. In the case of Enoch, like Noah remained, and he continued preaching, right? Like there was still priesthood on the earth. And the case of the apostasy after Jesus's church. Yes, the church went into apostasy. The true church eventually fell into apostasy. But at the very minimum, John remained. Like priesthood remained on the earth. And the book of Revelation is saying not just quietly, he wasn't asleep. He remained on the earth with a mission. So the priesthood was on the earth and was active. We just don't have record of it. We don't know what was happening. And that's kind of hinted at here where it says this book that John had, like it contains the hidden things of God's economy concerning the earth. Meaning at all times, God is at work. Angels, like priesthood of some sort, like there is work being organized and orchestrated in and of the earth. It's just hidden. It's not public narrative. It's not something you hear about on the news. It's not something that makes it into the scriptures, right? These are just things that are happening so that the important key events that will have to happen as part of the eternal round will happen and do happen. I mean, this was similar to like we talked about how Moses got his priesthood. And it's like, that's in like section 107 or something. And it was like some priesthood line that no one's ever heard of. And it does trace back to Abraham, but it's like, it doesn't go through Israel. It's like some other line that like Abraham gave a priesthood to some other line. Like we don't hear about it in the Bible or anywhere. But Moses, there are other branches of priesthood that's just not in our records. And there's things that are happening, like God's will is moving forward, regardless of if there's a church to keep a church history or not. Like there's higher orders at work. Okay. People like this one a lot, the 144,000.
Certain people do.
Yeah, it's never really appealed to me that much.
Yeah.
But I'm like, okay, what do we understand about it? Well, they are high priests, ordained unto the holy order of God to administer the everlasting gospel. Now that sounds like missionaries. High priest missionaries, as opposed to elder missionaries. Often when I think about like high priests, when you have this like temple language, we're talking about being sealed, I don't actually think that's referring to the ecclesiastical high priest. Thank you for watching. If you found this content spiritually enlightening, please like, comment, and subscribe.
Like the gospel, these little things make all the difference, and it helps the algorithm push out better content for everyone to enjoy on YouTube.